Hi, I got gifted these Owala rubber replacement seals, and so I just wanted to show you how nice they are. So this feels really nice and like a really nice high quality rubber and everything like that. So let's go take the one out of my Owala just to compare it. All right, so we're just gonna take mine out of mine just so you can see me taking it out of there. All right, so this gray one here is the one that came with my Owala. This is the new one that I just got in a pack. And if you look at it, it is the same size that way. And then if you look in the front, just everything is the same. And when I touch it, it literally does feel like the same quality. And all that's left is to see if it actually fits in my Owala like this. So it does have that little thing there that you just kind of connect into that little circle, push it in. So it fits in there really nice and it closes really nice as well. And it does give a nice seal, so there is no leakage.